Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tay Tay and I am back with a new video for you guys.
I got on my mind. I can't waste no time. Life is too short. I gotta grind.
So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm showing you guys my everyday makeup look, updated routine. So yeah, I'm not gonna really talk through it. I'm just gonna do it. And yeah, and I'll put the products that I'm using down below in the description box and also on the screen. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any more videos that I post. But yeah, that is it for this video. This is my updated everyday makeup routine.
You are this promise keeper, never gonna change on me, never gonna leave me now. Hold your words so close. You are